You have to know how to differentiate God's work from the work of man. What can you see from the work of man? There are a lot of elements of man's experience in the work of man. What man expresses is what he is. God's own work also expresses what he is, but what he is different from what man is. What man is representative of man's experience and life. And people living in different environments express different beings. Whether or not you have social experiences and how you actually live and experience in your family can be seen in what you express, whereas you cannot see from the work of God incarnate whether or not he has social experiences. He is well aware of the essence of man. He can reveal all kinds of practices pertaining to all kinds of people. He is even better at revealing human corrupt disposition and rebellious behavior. He does not live among the worldly people, but he is aware of the nature of the mortals and all the corruptions of the worldly people. This is what he is. Though he does not deal with the world, he knows the rules of dealing with the world because he fully understands human nature. He knows about the Spirit's work that man's eyes cannot see and that man's ears cannot hear, both of today and of the past. This includes wisdom that is not a life philosophy and wonder that people find hard to fathom. This is what he is, made open to people and also hidden from people. What he expresses is not what an extraordinary person is, but the inherent attributes and being of the Spirit. He does not travel around the world, but knows everything of it. He contacts the anthropoids who have no knowledge or insight, but he expresses words that are higher than knowledge and above great men. He lives among a group of obtuse and numb people who do not have humanity and who do not understand the human conventions and lives. But he can ask mankind to live out normal humanity, at the same time revealing the base and low humanity of mankind. All of this are what he is, higher than what any flesh and blood person is. For him, it is unnecessary to experience a complicated, cumbersome, and sordid social life to do the work that he needs to do and thoroughly reveal the essence of corrupt mankind. The sordid social life does not edify his flesh. His work and words only reveal man's disobedience and do not provide man with the experience and lessons for dealing with the world. He does not need to investigate society or man's family when he supplies man with life. Exposing and judging man is not an expression of the experiences of his flesh. It is to reveal man's unrighteousness after long knowing man's disobedience and abhorring mankind's corruption. The work he does is all to reveal his disposition to man and express his being. Only he can do this work. It is not something that a flesh and blood person could achieve.
God incarnate knows man's essence, reveals all things rebellious conduct too. He does not live with worldly ones, but knows their nature, corruption. This is what he is, though he does not deal with the world, yet he knows every rule to engage with it, for he understands mankind, fully understands their nature. Oh, he knows about the Spirit's working of today and the past as well, that human eyes just cannot see, that human ears just cannot hear. This shows wonders man can't comprehend, wisdom that is not philosophy. This is what he is, both revealed and hidden from man. His expression is not that of an extraordinary man, but the inherent being and attributes of the Spirit. He does not travel round the world, yet knows all things about it. He meets with those with no knowledge or insight,